How to save notes to file app on iPhone. First, make sure that the note is active on your device and make sure that your device is up to date. Open the notes on your device. Now select or open the note you want to save. Let's say this one, tap on it. Now when you tap on it, then tap on the share icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on that share icon. You have two options here below the name. If it is on collaborate, then tap on it and tap on send a copy. Now that tap on send a copy, you have different options here. Then tap on view more here. Now tap on view more, you have this one that says save to file. Tap on the button to save to file. Or tap on save to file. It comes out like this. You have different options here. You can see it's under iCloud download. Then you may tap back in and locate a specific location you want to save this file. So you can save it under Chrome, under download, under iCloud drive, under my phone, and lots more options here. So let me tap on iCloud drive now. Here you can see a guide, then you can see this on test, then tap on save button. That's all, guys. We're going to save notes on file on your iPhone. If you heard this tip of not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.